Hello, welcome to this week's The Sky This Week program. We have two interesting astronomical events happening in this week. First, total solar eclipse will happen on 14th December. The totality of the eclipse is visible in some part of Chile and Argentina. Larger part of South America and Southwest Africa will witness partial eclipse. Remember, this eclipse will not be visible in India. Another event that is very interesting to watch is Great Conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn. Starting on 14th December, Jupiter and Saturn appears close to each other, separated by about 0.9 degree. As the week progresses, Jupiter approaches Saturn in the night sky, and Jupiter and Saturn will be in the same line of sight. This being very rare opportunity, don't miss to witness such exciting observation. Now, let us look at the objects visible in this week's night sky. We start with identifying Cassiopeia, with whose help we can easily locate pole star and know cardinal points more accurately. Cassiopeia can also help us to locate bright star Capella of Auriga constellation in northeast. These two stars of Cassiopeia can help us to locate Perseus constellation, whose two bright stars, Mirfac and Algol, are easy to locate. In the east, Pleiades or Kritika, the star cluster, and red star Aldebaran or Rohini helps us to locate Taurus constellation. Towards south of Taurus, elegantly majestic constellation Orion is seen. Red giant Betelgeuse and blue giant Rigel are here. In Greek mythology, Orion was a giant and a great hunter. He is imagined to be fighting with Taurus the bull. Orion is a great treasure of astrophysical information. We will look at it in much detail in coming weeks. In south, Achernar of Eridanus constellation and Fomalhaut of Pisces Austrinus can be identified. In the west, stars of Summer Triangle, Altair of Aquila, Deneb of Cygnus, and Vega of Lyra are visible. In the pre-dawn sky, around 5 am, Venus will be just above the horizon. Arcturus or Swati of Bootes and Pica or Chitta of Virgo can be seen in eastern sky. Southern Cross or Trishanku and Canopus are visible in southern sky. Stars of Winter Triangle, Sirius or Lubdaka of Canis Major, Procyon of Canis Minor, and Betelgeuse of Orion are seen in western sky. In the north, stars of Ursa Major are easily recognizable, as they are identified as Big Dipper or Saptarishi Mandala.